What if the weakness in your legs after 60 isn't actually aging, but something your body is silently missing every single day? In the United States, millions of older adults are told their declining balance, slow walking speed, or leg fatigue is simply part of getting older. But emerging medical research suggests that the real issue may be hidden nutritional deficiencies affecting muscle repair and nerve communication. And the surprising part? Many seniors never realize it until their mobility and independence begin to change. Before you accept weak legs as normal aging, there's something important you should understand about how your body really works after 60. Hello, I'm Dr. Julia Martin, a board-certified geriatric medicine specialist, and I spend my time helping older adults understand how their bodies change with age and what they can do to stay strong, mobile, and independent. Today, I want to explain one of the most misunderstood health concerns among adults over 60, why leg strength often declines, and what may actually be happening inside the body. Welcome to the channel. Here, we break down health topics in a simple, clear, and practical way so you can understand what's really happening in your body and make smarter health decisions. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss important health updates. Are you over 60? I'm curious, what country are you watching from? How old are you? Do you currently take vitamin B12, D3, or K2? Your answers help us create videos that truly help seniors stay healthy and independent. Let us know in the comments. Many people over the age of 60 are told that weak legs are simply part of getting older. They hear phrases like, "it's just aging," or "your muscles naturally decline with time." While it's true that the body changes as we age, the full story is often more complex. In many cases, what feels like unavoidable weakness may actually be linked to silent nutritional deficiencies that develop slowly over the years. These deficiencies don't appear overnight, and they often go unnoticed because the symptoms are subtle at first. A little stiffness when getting up from a chair, a slight wobble while walking, or legs that feel unusually tired after normal daily activities can all be early signals that the body is missing important nutrients it needs to function properly. As the body ages, the way it absorbs and uses vitamins changes significantly. The digestive system becomes less efficient, stomach acid production decreases, and the body may struggle to extract certain nutrients from food. Even seniors who believe they eat a healthy diet may not be absorbing enough of the vitamins that support nerve health, muscle repair, and bone strength. When these nutrients are lacking, muscles take longer to recover after normal activity. At the same time, the communication between the brain and the muscles becomes less efficient. Nerves rely on specific vitamins to transmit signals that control movement, coordination, and balance. When those nutrients are insufficient, the signals can weaken or slow down, which may lead to instability, fatigue in the legs, or difficulty maintaining balance. Another important factor is the body's natural repair process. Every night while we sleep, our muscles, nerves, and connective tissues go through a recovery cycle. During this time, the body repairs small amounts of daily wear and tear that occur in the muscles and joints. However, this repair process depends heavily on having the right nutrients available in the bloodstream. Without them, the body cannot rebuild muscle fibers effectively or maintain strong nerve connections. Over time, this gradual decline can make simple tasks, such as climbing stairs, standing for long periods, or walking longer distances, feel more challenging than they once were. Understanding these biological processes is important because it shifts the perspective from helplessness to prevention. Weak legs are not always an unavoidable consequence of aging. In many situations, they can be improved by addressing the underlying causes that contribute to declining strength and balance. Identifying nutritional gaps, supporting the body's natural repair systems, and making small lifestyle adjustments can help restore stability and confidence in daily movement. Most importantly, maintaining strong legs is closely tied to maintaining independence. The legs support every movement we make, from walking across the room to standing up safely from a chair. When leg strength declines, the risk of falls and injuries increases, which can significantly affect quality of life. By understanding the real factors that influence muscle strength and nerve function later in life, Older adults can take proactive steps to protect their mobility, support their health, and continue living active, independent lives for many years to come. Vitamin B12 plays a fundamental role in maintaining the connection between the brain and the muscles, which is essential for strong and stable movement. Every time you take a step, stand up from a chair, or maintain your balance while walking, your brain sends signals through the nervous system to the muscles in your legs. These signals travel through nerve pathways that rely on proper nutrition to function efficiently. One of the key nutrients that supports this process is vitamin B12. This vitamin helps maintain the protective layer around nerves known as the myelin sheath, which allows nerve signals to travel quickly and accurately. When this protective layer is healthy, communication between the brain and muscles remains smooth and coordinated, helping the legs respond properly to movement and balance demands. However, as people grow older, the body's ability to absorb vitamin B12 from food often declines. This change is largely related to the digestive system. The stomach produces less acid with age, and that acid is necessary to separate vitamin B12 from the proteins in foods such as meat, eggs, and dairy products. Even individuals who eat a balanced diet may still struggle to absorb enough of this important nutrient. Over time, low B12 levels can begin to affect nerve function, and the symptoms may appear gradually. Many adults notice mild tingling in their feet, occasional numbness in the toes, or a feeling that their legs are not responding as quickly as they once did. Others may experience balance difficulties or feel slightly unsteady when walking. These early signs are often overlooked or attributed simply to aging, but they may actually be linked to changes in nerve communication. When nerves do not receive enough vitamin B12, the signals traveling from the brain to the muscles can weaken or slow down. This can affect coordination, reaction time, and overall stability. As a result, the muscles in the legs may not respond as efficiently when the body needs to adjust balance or movement. Over time, this can contribute to fatigue in the legs, slower walking speed, and an increased risk of stumbling or falling. Maintaining healthy levels of vitamin B12 can play an important role in supporting nerve health and muscle coordination. When the body has enough of this nutrient, nerve cells are better protected and communication between the brain and muscles remains more efficient. This improved signaling allows muscles to contract and relax properly, which is essential for maintaining balance and stability during everyday activities. Healthy nerve function also helps the body respond quickly to sudden changes in movement, such as stepping onto uneven ground or adjusting posture while walking. For many older adults, supporting B12 levels may help promote better nerve communication and overall muscle control. This can contribute to improved coordination, steadier movement, and greater confidence while walking or standing. Strong nerve signaling combined with healthy muscles helps the legs perform their most important job, supporting the body safely and reliably through daily life. When the nervous system and muscles work together efficiently, maintaining mobility and independence becomes much easier, even as the body continues to age. Vitamin D3 is often called the sunshine vitamin, and most people associate it primarily with bone health. While it is true that vitamin D3 plays a major role in helping the body absorb calcium and maintain strong bones, its importance goes far beyond that. One of the most critical roles of vitamin D3, especially for adults over the age of 60, is its impact on muscle strength and muscle repair. Healthy muscles are essential for balance, walking stability, and overall mobility. When the body has adequate levels of vitamin D3, muscle cells receive signals that help them grow, repair, and function efficiently. Without enough of this nutrient, those processes can slow down, which may lead to weakness and reduced physical performance. Muscles are constantly undergoing small cycles of stress and repair throughout the day. Every time you walk, stand up from a chair, climb stairs, or carry groceries, your muscle fibers experience tiny amounts of strain. Normally, the body repairs these fibers during rest, particularly while sleeping, making them stronger and more resilient over time. Vitamin D3 plays an important role in this recovery process because it helps regulate muscle protein synthesis, which is the mechanism the body uses to rebuild muscle tissue. When vitamin D3 levels are low, the body may struggle to repair muscle fibers effectively. As a result, muscles may feel weaker, recover more slowly, and fatigue more easily after normal daily activities. Research has shown that low levels of vitamin D3 are strongly associated with reduced muscle mass and decreased strength in older adults. This condition is sometimes linked to sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle tissue that can affect mobility and balance. When muscle mass declines, everyday movements can become more difficult. Getting out of a chair may require more effort, climbing stairs may feel slower, and standing for longer periods may lead to fatigue in the legs. These changes not only affect comfort and mobility, but they can also increase the risk of falls, which is a major health concern for older adults. Another important role of vitamin D3 is its ability to help regulate inflammation in the body. As we age, low-grade inflammation can develop in muscle tissues and joints, contributing to soreness, stiffness, and slower recovery after activity. Vitamin D3 helps the body manage this inflammatory response, allowing muscles to recover more efficiently after daily movement. When inflammation is reduced and muscle repair is supported, the legs can regain strength and resilience over time. Vitamin D3 also supports the nervous system and coordination, both of which are essential for maintaining balance while walking. Stable movement requires precise communication between the brain, nerves, and muscles. Adequate vitamin D3 levels help support this connection, allowing the body to react more effectively to changes in posture or movement. This coordination plays a key role in preventing slips and maintaining stability while walking on different surfaces. Ensuring that the body has sufficient vitamin D3 is an important step in supporting long-term mobility. For many older adults, maintaining healthy levels of this nutrient may help improve muscle regeneration, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the muscles that support the legs. Over time, these improvements can lead to better walking stability, stronger movement, and greater confidence in everyday activities. When muscles are properly supported by essential nutrients like vitamin D3, the body is better equipped to maintain strength and independence throughout the aging process. Vitamin K2 is one of the most overlooked nutrients when we talk about muscle strength, bone health, and mobility in adults over the age of 60. Most people are familiar with calcium and vitamin D when it comes to protecting bones, but very few realize that vitamin K2 plays a crucial role in directing where calcium actually goes inside the body. Calcium is an essential mineral, but without proper guidance, it does not always end up in the right places. Vitamin K2 acts like a traffic controller, helping move calcium into the bones where it strengthens bone structure, while preventing it from accumulating in soft tissues such as joints, muscles, and blood vessels. When calcium is properly directed, bones become stronger and the surrounding muscles are able to function more efficiently. This process is especially important as the body ages. Over time, bone density naturally begins to decline, and muscles may lose some of their strength. When calcium is not properly regulated, it can contribute to stiffness in joints and reduced flexibility in the tissues that support movement. This can make simple activities like standing up, walking, or climbing stairs feel more difficult than they once did. Vitamin K2 helps support the proteins responsible for binding calcium to bone tissue, which helps maintain bone density and structural stability. Strong bones provide the foundation that muscles rely on for balance and movement. Another important aspect of vitamin K2 is how it works alongside vitamin D3. These two nutrients function as a team within the body. Vitamin D3 helps increase calcium absorption from the digestive system and moves it into the bloodstream. However, once calcium is circulating in the body, it needs direction on where it should go. This is where vitamin K2 becomes essential. It activates certain proteins that guide calcium into bones and teeth rather than allowing it to accumulate in joints or blood vessels. When vitamin D3 and vitamin K2 are present together in healthy amounts, they create a balanced system that supports both bone strength and muscle function. Healthy bones and strong muscles work together to maintain balance and stability. When bone density is preserved and muscles receive proper support, the body can move with greater confidence and control. This is particularly important for preventing falls, which are one of the most common concerns for older adults. Good coordination, stable joints, and strong leg muscles all contribute to safer movement during daily activities such as walking, standing, and climbing stairs. In addition to maintaining adequate vitamin K2 levels, certain lifestyle habits can further support leg strength and mobility. Proper hydration plays a significant role in muscle performance because muscles rely on adequate fluid levels to contract and relax effectively. Even mild dehydration can contribute to fatigue and stiffness in the legs. Maintaining a balanced diet that includes nutrient-rich foods provides the body with the building blocks needed for tissue repair and muscle maintenance. Light physical activity can also support the body's natural circulation and muscle recovery. Gentle leg movements before bedtime, such as stretching, slow ankle rotations, or brief walking around the room, may help increase blood flow to the muscles. Improved circulation allows nutrients like vitamin K2 and vitamin D3 to reach muscle tissue more effectively, supporting the body's overnight repair processes. When these elements come together, adequate vitamin K2, supportive nutrients like vitamin D3, proper hydration, balanced nutrition, and regular movement, the body is better equipped to maintain strong bones and functional muscles. Over time, these supportive habits can help protect leg strength, improve mobility, and allow older adults to maintain independence and confidence in their daily activities. Thank you for taking the time to watch and learn today. Remember, maintaining strong legs and healthy mobility after 60 is not just about aging. It's about giving your body the right support it needs. Small changes in nutrition, daily habits, and awareness can make a meaningful difference over time. Take care of your health, stay active, and continue investing in your well-being. I'll see you in the next video with more practical health insights to help you stay strong, independent, and confident in your everyday life. Stay healthy and take care.